from my world of metaphysics. And if you want to know what I keep on me every day to make sure I'm successful in anything that I do, keep watching this video. If you're having problems with success, feel like things are against you or your vibration is not exactly where you want it to be, watch this video. I'm going to tell you a few simple things that you can carry on you. And if you continue to do what I'm telling you, you will be successful. So listen, watch this video all the way to the end because you guys know I love to throw in some extra tips. And if you're new to this channel, this is a law of attraction, metaphysical channel that brings life-changing information. So listen, join us, join the family, support by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell. Now let's get started. I'm back. So now you guys are probably saying, well, Yvette, what is it that we need to carry on us to make sure we're going to guarantee some type of success in our lives? Now listen, this is something that you just automatically do, and you'll just see your life start to change. The main thing is a lot of people, a lot of entertainers, a lot of people practicing being creators, they're doing this already. And some of you watching this are already doing it, but I want to add something to it. Now, I got a couple of things that I want to tell you guys, so please take out your pen and paper and write some of these things down and go out there and do it. Now, the first thing and the most powerful thing that I'm going to tell you that you must do if you're trying to manifest anything in your life, especially success, a new home, a new car, a new career, a new business, whatever it is, and that is write it down, everyone. Now, don't click off because I'm going to give you some extra tips, you guys, to help you guys. This is something that I have always done all my life. So now, I have a piece of parchment paper here. You guys can get this in the description on my website. This paper here, I write out my name, sometimes my name and date of birth, and I write out what it is that I want, as if it is already done. Now, I can also write just phrases like successful business. I have a successful business. I am rich. I am wealthy. I am financially free. I have a successful career. I have a new home, a new car. Whatever it is that is on your mind at this moment that you really want in your life, you write it out. And now, what are you going to do with this? You're going to place this somewhere on you that you see every day. You can place it in your wallet, which is, for the women, the best place to place this because you carry your wallet with you every single day. A guy might want to place this also in his wallet, and when he opens it up to take his money out, it's there. But whatever it is, I need you to see this constantly, everyone. This is the game changer. You're going to write it out. I have a successful business, successful career, whatever it is you want. But I want it to be in big letters. Why? Because I know you're not going to take it out and start reading it all of a sudden. I want you to just open it up and see it. I am successful. Okay? You carry this on you every single day, and you're going to see your life change because this is what you're going to be seeing every day. Now, the next thing that I do, is I like crystals, and you guys know I'm a crystal person. I will not leave home without my tiger's eye. So what I do, I wear it as a bracelet or a necklace. I wear tiger's eye. Why tiger's eye? Tiger's eye for me covers a vast majority of whatever it is you want to do. Think of the tiger eye as the king of the jungle or the powerful animal in the jungle. It is basically the king, successful, okay? It's also protecting, okay? The tiger's eye crystal is for me, one of the most powerful crystals that you can wear that protects you, sends success your way, and abundance and money and everything else. So now the next crystal that I continuously try to wear or carry is a black crystal. Black Tourmaline is one of the most powerful crystals for protection and success. I have on here a black obsidian, okay? Another crystal that you might want to entertain if you're looking to manifest money or success in your job or your business is a green aventurine or a jade. Now, I'm giving you these crystals because, listen, you can carry it in your pocketbook and just leave it there. You can pick one of these and carry it in your wallet. But the thing is, I like to wear it as jewelry because it automatically just helps me with my vibration coming in and going out. So what are the crystals I'm talking about that would lead you to success if you just leave it in your bag? It is a green aventurine. I have here a jade. I have here a bloodstone. Okay, this stone comes green and it comes red, but it's called bloodstone. It's a mixture of two. I have here a tiger's eye. I have here a red, this is a carnelian, but also a red jasper. And I have a citrine. Okay, this is the merchant stone, the money stone. Now, I'm not telling you to carry all these crystals with you, but you can. If you go on my site, you'll see that there is a prosperity kit, a health kit, and these are little packages of crystals that are already arranged to bring in success in those certain areas. Now, for example, I have this at my front door. And what is it that I have in here? I have bay leaves, I have cinnamon sticks, and I have the exact crystals that I am telling you about. A black tourmaline, red jasper. I have the tiger's eye. This sits at my front door, protecting my house, bringing in abundance, a little bit of that feng shui. Now, something else that I usually have in my wallet, and again, it is a crystal, and that is a pyrite. It is in my wallet and it stays there, okay? Another thing that I keep in my wallet, and listen, you don't have to do all of these things at once. You pick what resonates with you. Cinnamon sticks. Why cinnamon sticks? It's also something that attracts abundance, you guys, attracts success. So you don't need a lot, just one little cinnamon stick in there, and that's all you use. Some people prefer powder, but the powder's a little messy, so just a little tiny cinnamon stick can be placed in your wallet. Another thing that I would tell you to do is put a bay leaf in your wallet. Now, here's the thing about a bay leaf that actually you can use. You can actually take a bay leaf, a whole bay leaf, and instead of using the paper, write what it is that you desire on the bay leaf. Why a bay leaf? A bay leaf is protecting, it cleanses, and at the same time, it attracts abundance. Bay leaves are one of the most powerful attractors of abundance that you can ever use. But for me, I prefer to use the paper because I can write it in big print, and as soon as I open up my wallet, I see it. So these are little things that I'm telling you guys that you can do. The most powerful thing out of everything that I mentioned is writing what it is that you want and seeing it every day. Because when you open your wallet, you open it up very quickly, you might want to just write something big like, I am successful, I am prosperous, I am a millionaire, or whatever money that you want. Maybe you want to be married, I am married, and you place it in your wallet so that as soon as you open it up, you see it. These are little things that I am telling you. Another tip that I can actually give you guys is, if you want to, if you're carrying a crystal, you can always anoint your crystals, your money, just a little bit. Put a dab on your hand, rub your hands together and pat your money. So you're saying as you go out, you come back to me multiplied. Okay? And I have a better business, I have prosperity oil, I have fast money oil, I have money drawing oil. These things you will find find on my site. And listen, be creative, you guys. But once you do it, I need you to just let it go. I really need you to let it go. And don't look over your shoulder and say, Yvette, it ain't come yet. It ain't coming. It's not happening. It happens when you least expect it. And then all of a sudden you will realize everything you wanted has already occurred. Okay, everyone. So this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. I just gave you guys a powerful way to attract abundance in your life. I mean success in any way, you guys. Listen, I went from food service to house cleaning to being a direct care, all the way up to a nurse practitioner, someone also that had 2 businesses, everyone, own apartment buildings, the whole 9. I, myself, have done it, and I'm giving you the tips on what it is that made me successful. Again, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. If you want more videos like this, please join the family, you guys, by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell to get notifications of my up-and-coming videos. Other than that, if you want readings or coaching, please look in the description. If you want crystals, candles, sage, anything that I just showed you in this video is in the website. So please, feel free to look in the description, go there, and whatever it is